Hello and welcome. I'm Brent from Evocon, and in today's video, we're going to dive into a topic that's absolutely essential for manufacturers: gaining real-time visibility into your production. Whether you're looking to improve efficiency, reduce downtime, or make smarter decisions on the shop floor, it all starts with seeing what's really happening in production. So, let's jump into it. The best way to gain visibility into production is by implementing production monitoring systems that provide real-time data on machine performance, downtime, and key efficiency metrics. Production monitoring is the systematic observation, tracking, and analysis of manufacturing processes. There are many things that can be tracked in a production environment, from machine, equipment, and production line monitoring to energy consumption. We won't go into too much detail here, but if you're interested in learning more, check out the article linked in the video description below. Now let's quickly walk through the end-to-end process of production monitoring. The process starts with collecting raw data, using sensors, PLCs, barcode scanners, operator terminals, or connections to other business systems. Then the data moves to storage, using networks, wireless technologies, or even manual transfers. Next, the data is given context, for example, linking temperature recording to a specific machine, batch number, product, and timestamp. After that, it's time to transform the data into meaningful information using calculations, running statistical analyses, identifying trends, comparing performance against targets or standards, or using machine learning algorithms. Processed data is then displayed through real-time dashboards, historical reports, email, SMS alerts, and visual controls on the shop floor. And finally, operators and supervisors on the shop floor can make the needed adjustments, whether it's improving processes, reallocating resources, or making strategic choices about capacity or investments. Now, enough of theory, let's look at one example, how this all works with Evocon's production monitoring and OEE improvement tool. And just to mention that even though there are multiple ways Evocon can track production, we will be looking at one specific example for this video. To collect the raw data, a manufacturer fastens an optical sensor on the production line, which in this example counts individual products passing through. The signals from the sensor are pre-processed and sent to Amazon AWS. Beside the line is a display and keyboard for operators to enter downtime reasons or the results of a quality check. This operator input is also transmitted to Amazon AWS. Signal data, batch information, downtime reasons, and quality check results are then stored and interlinked. Evocon then transforms the data into meaningful insights, showing what has happened in your factory, how it has been performing, and where the issues lie. To visualize all of this, a monitor is placed near the production line that displays real-time line status and OEE, and a large TV screen placed on the shop floor will give an overview of all lines connected to Evocon. The plant manager normally checks production status on a mobile phone, downloads a report for senior leaders once a week, and exports detailed data for in-depth analysis once a month. Lastly, when it's time for decision-making and action, the operators focus on addressing the biggest causes of downtime that have been identified. When the line starts running faster and more efficiently, the performance manager shortens target cycle times. At the same time, investment gets reallocated to another line that's now showing signs of being a bigger bottleneck, helping to balance performance across the whole production floor. And with that, we're done with today's video on unlocking production visibility. If you would like to explore more in depth how Evocon can help you with all of this, reach out. We would love to chat. Or you can start a 30-day free trial on our website. We also have a quick demo video that you can watch on Evocon. You can find the link in the video description. Thanks, and see you soon.